What's up guys, Michael here. If you're not sure of the quality that DJI Air 2S provides in terms of footage, look no farther. Spoiler alert, we have some cool footage coming. I've recently visited Cliffs of Moher in Ireland, beautiful spot which is perfect for drone flights and capturing some of the most cinematic footage. I wanted to share it with you guys that are on the fence and not sure whether this drone is right for you. I can assure you that I'm not an expert in terms of color grading, however, I think I've made a decent edit, decent job that you're about to see. Couple of notes about the footage: it was recorded in 4K 30 frames per second, DLog of course, and ND filter 8 stops, giving it that tiny bit of extra smoothness. Okay, are you ready? Let's watch it together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this little beast of a drone. I think it's incredible for what it's capable. Knowing the size of this little guy, come on. Comparing to those bigger drones like Mavic 3 or Mavic 2 Pro. Anyway, if you've made it so far, I'd appreciate giving a thumbs up and a subscription. It really means a lot to me and the channel. I will see you in the next one. Cheers!